Hi everyone, this is Jessica. Welcome to our channel where my husband and I invite you to join us as we explore and do life together as a recently married couple. One of the things we love to do together is to travel, and when I travel, I take a ton of photos. So there needs to be a good permanent solution for how I can organize those photos and look back on them in the future. One of the ways that I like to organize my photos and turn them into photo albums is through using Mixbook. Mixbook is a company that creates photo goods that include photo albums, cards, prints, and more. So far, I have only made photo albums on their site. Shown here is a typical book that I like to order off of their site. It is 8.5 by 11 inches, the cover is glossy hardcover, and the paper is default. It is actually a semi-gloss paper, as you can see inside. It's a little bit shiny. So why do I choose to make albums on Mixbook over another company like Shutterfly? Well, I really like their editor's easy-to-use interface. I can easily connect to a variety of photo sources like my desktop, Instagram, Facebook, Google Photos, you name it, import them, and then start dragging them from the workspace into blocks in my chosen layout. Once I've used a photo, it disappears from my workspace, so it's easy to see which photos are left to add to the book. Plus, the editor is online, so I can create anywhere I have internet. Secondly, Mixbook has a ton of customization options in the form of pre-made themes that you can choose for your book. These themes come with custom layouts, backgrounds, and stickers, in addition to the standard layouts that come with every project. Here, I'm actually using a theme called Honeymoon for our honeymoon album. It came with very cute custom stickers just for that theme, as well as different backgrounds and different kinds of text. So putting it all together, as you can see, you can get very creative with your books. There are even layouts that fit anywhere from 1 to 8 or more photos on each page. This is another reason why I like Mixbook. Their pre-made layouts can fit a lot of photos on each page, which is perfect because I take a lot of photos when I travel. This also minimizes the number of extra pages that I need because each one has an additional cost. So here is an example of a couple of pages where I used that 9 picture maximum. And I really like how it's gridded out like this. Another example here where I just have pages full of photos, but I also do have pages that are a little bit more spaced out where I don't have as many photos together. The third great thing about Mixbook is that they always have sales, and a lot of the times up to 50% off and free shipping. I usually always wait for a sale before I take the plunge and buy the album. The fourth thing I want to mention about this company is that they actually have really great customer service. One of my books was printed out poorly where some of the photos were a little bit blurry. I talked to customer service and they helped me resolve the issue. They let me re-upload all of my photos at a higher resolution and shipped that new book out to me within a week at no cost. The photo quality was definitely better and I was much happier with the final result. Another bonus I like to mention is that the customer service is very responsive. I was able to chat with them at like 11 p.m. at night and was getting very quick responses. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the quality of the albums from Mixbook for the price. Since they're fun vacation photos, I like the books to look a bit more creative and scrapbook-like, which as you can see is very easy to achieve with the fun backgrounds and graphics. Now, if you're going for a more editorial or formal look, I'd recommend the Artifact Uprising photo books, which I have done a video review of and will link in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, or if you would like to see the inside of some of these other books, I'd be happy to show them too. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from us. Thanks for watching. Bye!